So guys, I hope you all are doing well. So in this video we'll be discussing about Accenture off-campus drive 2021. So right now Accenture is hiring for the role of new associate order to cash processing or management job profile, which is applicable for freshers as well as for the experienced candidates. So before discussing further, as usual, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates like CGI, ThoughtWorks, Zycus, Intel, TCS, and Wipro all are hiring for different job profiles. So I am requesting all of you to please subscribe to YouTube channel so that you'll be getting the timely updates regarding latest off campus. So now let's discuss about the job profile and the eligibility criteria and the application process. So step by step we'll be discussing. So they are hiring for the new associate order to case management processing job profile, and it is only for the Bangalore location, and job ID or job number is this, and this is the career portal or the career website of Accenture itself. So now let's discuss about the other things. So skills required is order to cash processing or billing processing. Designation is the management level new associate, and job location is Bangalore, and qualification required is any graduate. That means all the BE, BTech, BSc, MCA, BCom, etc. candidates can apply for this job profile, no issues, irrespective of their year of pass out and the branch. Remember one thing, so later please don't ask that whether mechanical or civil or CSE background candidates are eligible or not. And also 2019, 2020, 21, 22, 23, any batch candidates can apply for this job or for this off campus. And year of experience is required is 0 to 1 year only. That means fresh graduates can apply for this job profile, no issues. So now let's discuss about the other key responsibilities or the eligibility criteria. So what are they looking for? So they are looking for the individuals who have the following skill sets: ability to perform under pressure, ability to establish strong client relationship, ability to work well in a team, that means team management or the teamwork, ability to handle disputes, and ability to meet the deadlines. So these are the skill sets or the attitudes or the things you need to have in order to apply for this job profile. So now let's discuss about the technical skills required for this off campus or for this specific job role. Accounts payable processing, that means ledger thing, accounts receivable, ledger maintenance, and automation and analytics, and the English. So these are the skills required. If you have these skills, then you will be getting the more preferences. So these are the skills required here: accounts payable, that means ledger thing, general ledger, etc. So it's a very easy thing. You can go through any of the YouTube video. You'll be able to learn these things within 2 to 3 days. You'll be able to learn the basics only. So accounts receivable, ledger maintenance, automation analyst, and English. These are the skill sets required or the technical skills required for this job profile. And roles and responsibilities, later you can go through this if you want to. And let's discuss about roles and the responsibilities. So in this role, you will be required to solve the routine problems legally through the precedent or the referral to generate the general guideline, etc. Your primary interaction is within your team and your direct supervisor, etc. So these are the roles and responsibilities. Later you can go through all these things. So qualification, as we discussed earlier, any graduation. So if you are interested for this job profile, so simply you need to click on the apply now button here. After that you will be able to apply for this job profile. So first of all, you need to log in into your account. That means your account that you have earlier created in their official or the career portal. Then only you will be able to apply for this job profile. So I am not discussing here about the application process like applying process. It's a very easy process. First of all, you need to create an account, then only you'll be able to apply for this off campus. So it is a very easy process. So I'll be putting this link in the description of this video so that you'll be able to apply for this job profile before it gets expired. So this is all about the eligibility criteria and the other things. So if you want to apply for the other job profiles, you need to simply click on the right side. If you see carefully, these are the related jobs, so don't forget to check these jobs as well. So I'll be putting the link of these jobs in the description of this video so that you'll be able to apply for the other jobs roles as well, because it is not like that if you are applying for one job profile you will not be able to apply for other job profiles. So you can apply for n number of job roles, no issues. So I'll be putting this job profile links as well, so that you'll be able to apply before they get expired. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.